Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. In today's video guys, I'm going to do a living room refresh. For those of you that new here, my name is Mercy. As you can see guys, that's the way my living room was. I had fan on it. I'm not a big fan of the fan. Okay guys, I decided to change it to add my beautiful crystal chandelier. And as you can see how the process is going, I'm in love how the light turns out. And guys, if you are somebody that love a fan, by all means, but me, I'm not a big fan of the fan. Okay guys, as you can see, this rug, I had it for quite a while from my bedroom, my old living room. Now I'm going to put it in this living room because it's summer guys. I have my nephews, my grandson, and I needed something heavy traffic, and this rug is perfect for this. Not only is it's pretty and is heavy traffic, it's gonna go perfectly with the decor I'm going for. And guys, this video is in collaboration with VEVOR that sent me this foot massager. Me and my family have been using this for quite a while now guys. If you are someone that's looking for a foot massager, this can be a good option. So I'm going to do the unboxing to show you, if you decide to buy one, what inside the box look like, what you're going to receive. And guys, I've been using this foot massager for a while now, and I love to just use the product and then give my honest review, because I don't want to bring you anything and then after that is not quality. So guys, inside the box, once you open it, you will see manual instruction. For some people it is nothing, but me, I love manual instruction. I don't like to stay blindfold on anything. I like to know how it works, so it's good to have my opinion. And they show you how everything, the button, the function, and everything. Guys, if you have leg pain and you are someone that standing, walking a lot, this can be very helpful to you. Me, my job require me to walk and stand a lot, so every night I always use this foot massager. And guys, the link will be in the description box down below. If you are somebody that looking for a foot massager, this can be very helpful to you. The fabric is washable, just remove it and place it again. My family, we all use it, so that's why it's very important for me, so we can wash it. It's very nice. And as you can see the material guys, and it has a 3-level intensity of kneading and heat. And guys, you can tailor to your liking. 360 full coverage massage, perfect for gift, men or woman. It go up to size 12, so no matter how big is your feet, you can always use it. And guys, the link will be in the description box down below. Like I said, you can check it out. As you can see, my son using it, they love it more than I do. Hey guys, I really love it. So it has 3-level kneading intensity, soothing intensity. So it just 360 coverage. It hug all your feet. So guys, I really love it. So if you want to revive your feet, if you want a good massage to help you relax, this one can be a good option. Make sure to check the box that on below. Okay guys, that's what I have for you for today. Let's go back, finish the living room, and keep on watching.
I love it when you're confident. Confident. I love it when you're confident. Confident. I love it when you're confident. Confident.
Step in the room, commanding the space. Stand at attention, do what I say. All eyes on you, for goodness sake. It's about to be a party, we should celebrate. Energy high, grace in your stride, spark in your eye, lit like a fire. We got money in the bank, tell them catch your vibe. Started in the lobby, now we outside. Now show up, like you the one that they here for. Go up, show up, like you the one that they here for.
Today guys, I wanted to change my home black and white. And like I said, because I'm going to have a lot of kids coming to my home, and I need something heavy traffic so I can enjoy my home decor while I'm enjoying my family, because I have a lot of nephews and my grandson, so I want to make it enjoyable for everybody while I'm still enjoying my beautiful home. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm I changed the curtain from the silver to the white one, and I love how everything is so far. And I do a lot of cleaning off camera, and because I have to sweep everything, and I just want to make the video a little bit shorter because you see how I clean, guys, anyway. Okay guys, if you are somebody that just joined this channel, thank you so much for being here. My name is Mercy, and please guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. In this channel guys, I do product review, clean with me, DIY, home decor. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, consider to do so today. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. Thank you so much for always stick with me, and I really appreciate you guys. I love you all, and keep on watching. Thank God I have a lot of strength, and so far so good, and I was able to lift it by myself. But if you guys you cannot lift it, just don't break your back, because it's not easy. But me, I thank God so much because I'm still able to lift those things by myself. And guys, for this tree, I really love the way it take my home to the next level because it's bigger. I wanted to put it in the taller vase, but I said now let me use it like that to see how it look, and I'm going to put it on a bigger vase, taller vase, on the next video. But right now I'm going to enjoy it this way in this small vase, and I think it look very nice right now. So guys, this as my DIY, and guys, I love doing my own DIY because it saves me a lot of money. It's another way again guys, if you want your home to look extremely beautiful without spending too much money, this is another way to do so, by doing DIY, because you save yourself a lot of money. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue à vous tous. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, mon nom est Merci guys. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci mes amours, votre support. Je vous aime. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know what you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. I really love how my home turns out, and I love the light.
Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur channel moi. C'est la première fois, moi surtout bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît guys, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec vos amis. Et si c'est la première fois, tout moi tout merci en pile pour support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder cette vidéo, moi maintenant.
I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried, cause every day I'm with you.
Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.